Alright, so gagawa natin ng movie review ni Losing Stage. This is, if not mistaken, the 5th movie review I created for this year. So, Mama, I'm starting. So, if me copying Stitch's voice does not show that I'm a huge Stitch fan, if I watch this movie as a separate movie, standalone, I'm not comparing it one-to-one dun sa original animated film, then I would give it a 9. If I will be strict na 1-to-1, like unreasonable 1-to-1, then I'll give it a low score. But I understand bakit ba't may mga character silang inalis, ba't may character silang iniba, ba't may character na, though yun lang yung talagang isang big bad comment ko, bakit yung isang specific character yung may ginawa sila doon kakaiba, yun lang yung bad comment ko. But nonetheless, kasi malaki ang ambag ng character na yun sa buong animated film so sa buong series ng Lilo and Stitch so I really don't understand why of all characters, so I do understand na napaka-creative ng tingin nila na bakit yung ginawa nila, but they could have done way more differently. I understand why yung specific character na dapat nandun ay wala. It's a budget thing, though it's Disney, they have budget, they created Lion King, so I really don't, in a sense, parang hindi ko na rin pala gets, because that missing character, though if sabihin nila, ay dapat diba kasi film tapos live action dapat maiba. Okay, sige na lang. On its own, it's a good film. I give it a 9 out of 10. And on its own, I believe they can still create a continuation. Parang ginawa nila sa Lion King na may Mufasa. But of all, so far napanood ko Disney films na ginawa nila live action, isa to sa mga nagustuhan ko. Nakalimutan ko na isa pa Basta merong live action din na nagustuhan kong ginawa nila. Pero not all. I don't like Little Mermaid. Snow White, di ko pa napanood, so I don't plan watching that. Ano ba yung ginawa pa nila? Lion King, medyo nag-aalangan akong, napanood ko pero okay lang, sakto lang. Beauty and the Beast, not that fine, but Lilo and Stitch is, if you look at it as standalone, as its own story, if you don't know any background sa previews ng mga series and previews ng mga movies na Lilo and Stitch, you don't know the Easter eggs na nilagay nila doon and all, then yeah, it's good. 9 out of 10. But as a fan who knows the series, it's understandable they don't create it 1:1. Yeah, it's understandable. And ganoon talaga pag adaptations. But they could have done better. They should have not done what they have done sa film doon sa specific character na sinasabi ko na hindi ko may mention pero ayaw ko i-spoil, pero may ginawa lang talaga sila doon sa film na sa akin lang naman. And actually my nephew agrees with me. We both don't agree what they did. But that aside, it's a good film. So it's something I can suggest people to watch, and marami din mga iconic parts na inalis nila, but there are those specific dialogues na niretain pa rin nila, and it's something na okay, that's good. Pero may mga parts sila na I hope they didn't remove, lalo na yung mga iconic parts. May sobrang iconic na part na dalawa actually na hindi sana nila inalis, though yung isa okay, understandable pa kung binago nila, pero yung isa, there's this one specific na hindi sana nila inalis. Marami pa silang iba inalis, but that one specific, kasi merong isa inalis nila pero nilagay pa rin naman sa huli, wala nga na sa main film, nandun lang sa last part. And I would suggest that you stay, kasi yung before mag-credits magaganda pa rin. Hindi ko lang alam kung may after credits, kasi Disney minsan meron nilalagay, kasi hindi na kami nag-sleep siya ng gabi. Pero lang masasabi ko, 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. As a Stitch fan, medyo, ano siya, it's fine. It's fine. Stitch is Stitch. And, yes. That's awful. So, salamat. Go nang go and take care. Go nang go kay God.